Hey guys, it's Drea. So today I have my Fun in the Sun Project Pan collab update. This is a collab with a whole bunch of ladies. It was started by Alex, who, as you know, is my best friend, and she started it with a bunch of YouTubers, panners in the panning community, as well as some people like on Instagram have joined in, and other YouTubers have joined in even after the first initial collab video came out. So this is the first and only update. This is a very short project pan. It's only, I think, over 2 months. The finale is going to be on September the 2nd. I'm going to list down below the playlist. So you don't even have to go to like 10 different channels. It's one playlist that Alex has created where you can see so many different panners and their updates and their intros, and then the finales will all be on there too, which I think is amazing because this way you can just go to one spot and you can find like new cool people to follow on YouTube. And I don't know about you, but I love finding new people to follow on YouTube. So definitely go check that out. That will be listed down below. But this is all, it's like a summer pan. So each thing like reminds you of summer in some way, shape or form. I have made amazing progress on so many things, and I'm actually surprised at my progress on most things, except for one that I am sucking at, which I'll leave for last. So this is a 5-pan project. A lot of people had between 6 and 10. I'm a terrible project panner, so I have only 5, and I wanted to keep it short and sweet for myself. Let's start out with this fragrance. This is the Cotton Candy Body Fantasies Fragrance Body Spray. When I started, it was almost totally full. There is the first update line. Here is where we are. My goal for this, I had said in the initial intro, was to just use half of this bottle, and I'm almost there already. So I think I'm gonna like do a stretch goal and say 3/4 of this bottle I would like to have done. So probably just like at the bottom where that sticker is would be good. Because if I use this much in 1 month, I have just over a month left to do this because the update is on the 2nd of September, not necessarily the end of August. So anyways, I think I can use this much in the next month-ish, and that would be amazing because when I started this was practically full. Next thing is this primer. I am also amazed at my progress on this. This is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. This is where we started, right up here. This is the update right here. Look, there's so much gone out of this. When I can't pump it anymore, because it does have a pump on it, I will cut it open and try to use absolutely everything out of it. The pump it's good and bad because it's nice to have a pump on things, but this one gets products stuck in it, so every once in a while it'll spit out at you a little hard ball of primer, and it's kind of gross, and you gotta like figure out what to do with it. Anyway, I actually really like this primer. It is cooling. I was thinking about it just yesterday, how like when you apply it to your skin, it actually has like a nice cooling feel to it, and I really like that, especially in the summertime. There's something really nice about that. So I've been enjoying this a lot. I don't think it's the absolute best mattifying primer in the world. It's just okay, but I do like it for the cooling factor. Okay, super exciting progress on this. This is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer in the shade Light Neutral. When I put this in my project in the beginning, if you haven't seen the intro, that's fine. I thought it was getting close to done, so I took out the stopper just a few days before, and what happened was as soon as I took out the stopper, the brush was just like coated in product every time I pulled it out. Well, now it's getting to the point where it is not at all coated in product. I'm actually having to like start scraping the sides of this. As you can see, the plug is like gone out of it. There's definitely a lot of product down at the very bottom, like where this won't reach. So down in this area, I think I'm gonna be able to like scrape all this easily with this, but I might have to dig out the Q-tips for the stuff at the very bottom. Or I did just purchase the makeup spatula, so I might start using that for this. But I want this to be like dead clean by the time this project is over. And I think I can do that because I didn't expect this to start going so quickly. I thought I was going to be using it for a longer time because it is so full coverage, and a little does go a long way. I've been wearing this for work, by the way. This is my after work makeup. I just like refreshed it a little bit, but I'm looking a little dry under here, so just ignore that. But yeah, this has been going super well, and I'm just excited to like be using up Shape Tape. All right, this is the last of the exciting progress, and then I'll show you my suckiness at the end. Okay, this is one of my favorite highlighters of all time. I put it in this project because I just wanted to hit pan on it. I had a super big dip in it, and guess what? I thought I'd be hitting pan not this soon, by the end of the project, but I actually hit pan on this the other day. It is the tiniest of baby pan. Can you see it right there? There's like these little streaks of pan. There's like 3 separate little streaks. I'm gonna hold it closer in a second, but you can kind of see it from this angle right there. So I think you can see the silver in it. That is pan. See that right there? That is pan. There's a swatch of it there. Here it is on my face. Did I say what it is? It's in the shade Sparkling Peach. I think I did say that, but maybe I didn't. I absolutely love this. It's so pretty in the summertime. I've been wearing it a ton. I am so excited that I hit the babiest of pan, but I am going to continue using this through the end of this project. And I want to see just how big I can make this pan. Like I really want to see if I can continue. Now, that being said, this was also my highlighter of the month in my rolling project pan, which I do have my own rolling 10 project pan all year long thing going. This was also in there for this month, so that has helped it. I am in the month of August going to be using a different one in that project, so this might not see quite as much use, but still, I want to see like how much pan I can expand that to by the end. I'm really excited about it. Okay, very last thing. This is a lipstick. I suck at panning lipstick. This is the Bare Minerals Gen Nude lipstick in the shade Love. Can you see? There's only a little bit out of it. This is what I'm wearing right now. I have not used this very much at all. It's a mini. That's all the way rolled up right there. You would think that, hey, that would be nothing, but I use so many different lipsticks that I use a different one almost every day. I did put this in my purse with the intention of using it at work, but I don't wear lipstick at work. Like as soon as my lipstick wears off, I don't reapply it. I'm way too busy to think about lipstick at work, like honestly. And if I put it in my pocket to try to reapply it, what ends up happening is I forget about it, it goes in the washing machine and it gets destroyed. So I know better than to do that. But here is where we started. So the way I'm measuring this is just the highest point, putting it right up like that. So those 2 lines there, that is the intro, and then that little tiny bit of use is just the 1 month worth of use. I don't think that I'm going to use this up by the end. I had originally wanted to. There's a swatch of it, by the way. I don't like this color as much as I thought I would. I have a few other minis like this, and the shade Mantra, I should have grabbed that one and put it in because I much prefer that shade. This one, it's okay. It's like this like warm pink. And there's also a little bit of coraliness in it, which you would think that I would like I do like the shade, but it just doesn't go with everything like I thought it would, and that's another reason that I'm just not using it enough. So I don't know, maybe I'll use this up by the end of this project, but I'm doing so well on everything else. If I don't meet my goal on this, I won't kick myself. But there is the update for all 5 products. I am actually really proud of the progress that I've made. I was really thinking about adding in a 6th product for this update, but with my other project going, I just don't think it's the best idea. I feel like I might be spreading myself a little too thin if I do that, and there's nothing that's really calling to me for my collection to be like, hey, use me. So I don't know. I feel bad that I only have 5 and so many of the other girls have 6. But like I said, I am not the best panner in the world. However, I do have my other project going, so I'll link to the most recent update of that one as well if you're really into project panning. But please go check out all the other people doing this project. I think these collabs are so much fun. I love seeing progress. Like, don't you love seeing progress? My panning videos get some of the highest views of all my videos, and I think it's because we just all love to see like makeup being used up. I think we all have such big collections, or at least YouTubers do. Like have such big collections, things don't often see pan or see empties, so it's so much fun to do this and actually see the usage on it. So that link will be down below, and if you are new to my channel, if you have come from that playlist, please consider subscribing. I do lots of panning now. I didn't always, but now I seem to be, and lots of other content, of course. So subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, do all those YouTube things. Please help me out. I would love to see my channel start growing a little bit more lately. But that's it for today. I hope that you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope that you're speaking to yourself kindly, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.